Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we're in the standard photo mode, we have to enter the settings because unfortunately in this top bar we do not have a shortcut for timer. So let's enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner, and here in the capture settings, so we've got this option delay capture. Let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got overall 4 different options from which you can choose, so the off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is to tap on the option, so let me pick 10 seconds delay. It is immediately notified right here, so let's go back to the camera and let's tap on the shutter button. I'm not really sure if you can see it, but right now we've got this kind of little timer icon on it. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, your device will count down from 10 or 3 or 5, of course, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, of course you can change the timer whenever you want to the 5 and 3 seconds delay, or turn it off completely just by tapping on off option, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.